in the syllabus, it says salient features of third frontier and the fourth frontier plan. This is the syllabus what they are asking exactly. Besides knowing the third frontier plan and the fourth frontier plan, course first and second, what are the salient important features? What are the important features of third and the fourth frontier road development plan? Okay, plans and policies. Look at policies and objectives. You see all these things. Important question in India. Okay. Instead of writing this way, I will change the title and write. So this one, I will write it in a different way. What is that? Motherboard path. This very dangerous zone, but now accident zone, dangerous zone, silent zone, something like that. Don't do it. This they are going to ask. Bells. Let's talk about this. I change the title a bit. The syllabus, what is written in the syllabus of yours, I just change. Find the topic in a different way. What that means? Now, if you ask me, the policies and objectives of the third frontier plan. Okay. Now, the first one again, I am telling you. There are some 3-4 policies. Okay. Objectives. Something like that. Now, as you know, the main object or the main policy of the third frontier plan was to decide the road density, based on the requirement. That's the meaning exactly. To decide the road density. What is the road density? The different type of the roads. What are the different types of roads? Primary roads. I think I already told you. As per the third frontier plan, roads are classified into 3 categories. One is known as the primary roads, second is known as the secondary roads, third is known as the tertiary roads. What are the primary roads? Anybody? Even though they have been classified. What is an RDP? RDP is a Road Development Plan. Okay. Now, as per the third frontier road plan, the roads were classified into 3 categories. What are they? One is known as primary roads. Second is known as secondary roads. So you write it as a write it. Class is not, this is something like a big meeting after eating something, it is not that. Should learn. Secondary roads and third is known as the tertiary roads. Now, I think I'll come back. The roads, as per the first frontier plan, as per the Nagpur road plan, roads are classified into 5 categories. I think I already told you. As per the Nagpur road plan, or as per the first frontier road development plan, roads are classified into 5 categories. Correct? No? What are they? They are NH, SH, then MDR, ODR, and VR. Okay. Now, what are the primary roads? Even though the third frontier road plan classifies the road into 3 categories, what are the primary, what are the secondary, and what are the tertiary roads, if you ask me. So now, in the somebody is talking and saying, Under the primary roads, again they added expressways and highways, national highways. You can understand the short one we can write now. Write it if you want. Right. Under the primary roads, the expressways and the national highways. Express. You want to write full form? Full form one or full only? No half. Right up. Under the primary roads, they have classified the roads into primary. Under the primary, there are two. One is known as the expressways, and you must remember there is in the first 20-year plan there was a proposal of 1,600 km of expressways to be constructed. I think I told you. I don't know. Okay. Next, what are the secondary roads? As for this, under the secondary road, you take up state highways and the major district roads. That is state highways, and MDR. No place is there. Blackboard. I am writing short forms. No place there. The blackboard would have been extended to the road. What are they? Under the secondary roads, the two categories. One is known as that is state highways, and also the major district road. Last category, tertiary roads. Tertiary road, what are the remaining? ODR, other district roads and village roads. This is first thing they have done. The first objective, I just now told you, the main object of third 20-year plan are also called as Lucknow plan, whatever that you can say. First 20-year plan is called as Nagpur plan. Second 20-year plan is called the Bombay Road plan. Third 20-year plan is called the Lucknow plan. Why this place is important? Because of the meeting which is being held at the different places. I told you. Then coming back, the third category. Now, it is our first case, classification. Second, the different empirical formulas have been given that are not. To calculate what? To calculate length of expressway or national highway, and to calculate the length of the state highways and the major district road and the other district road and the village roads. These are calculation of the particular length of the roads for the 20-year period from 20-year period from, I think I told you. So date back. You should know all this is the same. So look at what is the first one? 1943, no? 1963, correct or not? First. Then second, as the first 20 years has been completed, the plan target, the road length has been completed 2 years before. Therefore, somebody is talking and saying, this zone, please, you open up the mask, otherwise, why I am opening, why I am asking you to open up, no? We cannot say he is talking or not talking. Sometimes, some. Now, the second 20-year plan is between 1961 and 1981. Third 20-year plan is from 1981 to 2001. That 2020 match. You will understand that. Right? Now, coming back here, the length of the different categories of roads are to be calculated. I am going to solve the problem now. Exactly how they have been calculated. The different formulas. The formulas are based on the two categories. One, to set the formulae or formulas for the different categories, they have given empirical formulas. If you ask me, if I ask me to get the national highways for Bijapur district, see, simple. If you ask me, what could be the total length of the roads required, total length of what category of road, total length of the national highways required for Bijapur district. If you ask me, then I say it should be formula. So that is area of the district. Area of the district. Which district? Divided by divided by 50. It will be length of the 50 is your 50, something like that. Why 50? Don't ask. That's all. It's okay? Then if you say the total area of the Bijapur district, I don't know, it may be 20,000 kilometers. Example, I don't know, not that much. It will be 1,920 kilometers. Example, kilometer square. What? Area is in kilometer square. Correct or not? Not kilometer. If you say simply kilometer, it will become length. Kilometer square area. Kilometer by kilometer square. No. Divide by 50. Example, for this one, 1920 divided by 50. What is the calculator? Do it. Mahatappa, calculator ತೆಗಿರಿ ಇದು history class ಅಲ್ಲ, geography class ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. It is not geography class, history class. Don't think. Example, this is a purely example. Then don't again tomorrow don't ask how much it is 37.4 kilometers. 38. See again that 1991 is not correct area. Otherwise, Bijapur district, how many roads? How much roads? So much length. Even between Solapur and Bijapur, the ring road itself is 100 kilometers. Then again from Bijapur to the Chitradurga road, ending that Bijapur territory is around 100 kilometers or 50 kilometers, example, more. So okay, now this is what. If you ask me, again categories. What is the base? What is the base for formulating the this one calculation, formulating the national highways? The second one, here what I use? Area. Then second category of using the calculating the length of the other particular things, area and also number of towns. Again, the first category is area. Based on these two criteria, second is area of the district or state, district or state or country. What is the district? If you are calculating for the Bijapur district, state Karnataka state, country India. That way. Coming back to the next category, whatever the number of towns and villages. These are the two patterns. These are the two parameters being used to formulate to calculate the length of all different types of roads, like primary, secondary, and the tertiary. Right up. Now coming back to the, if you ask me again, coming back to this, I'll tell you. If you ask me, there is length of MDR. Example, you ask me length of the MDR, two ways. I told you two ways. One, I tell you again, it is area divided by 12.5. It is also going to give you length of the area of the district or area of the state, whatever that. That if you want to calculate the length of the major district road, two categories are told. One by area by 12.5. Then second one, length of MDR. It will be number of towns. See, 90 into number of towns and villages. 90. Why 90? Don't ask. Okay, number. Now you can see that national highways, the area divided by 50. State highways, area by 50. National highways, the area divided by 50. Then state highways, area divided by 25, half of that. Then major district road, area divided by 12.5. Coming back again by category of other things, to calculate the length of the MDR, it is 90 into number of towns. Now you may ask, these are two are there, the two lengths you are getting it by two categories, which are used to be adopted. Higher among these two, for example, among this you are getting 230 kilometers. Here you are getting 241 kilometers. By this way, this is to be adopted. The higher among the two is to be adopted. Correct or not? Same as the particular hospital. Now, Okay, sir, we have calculated national highways, calculated state highways, major district roads. Then what next? To calculate other district roads and the village roads, there is no formula. There is no formula for that. But that is to be calculated based on the road density being fixed. What is the road density? Coming back to the second one, this first case. What is the road density which is being fixed? Anybody? The road density or the total length of all categories of the road. I repeat. Road density or the total length of all categories of the road. And should be 82 kilometers per 100 square kilometer area. For every 100 square kilometer of the area, 100 square kilometer of area, there should be a road of 80 kilometers. This is the target length. Based on this, the remaining length of the road like ODR and VR, village roads, are to be calculated as per the third 20 effect. Again, that is also second objective. So first category is, I repeat one by one. Okay. Now, the first objective of the third 20th plan is what? To classify the road into three categories. One is the primary, second is the secondary, third is the tertiary roads. Again, what are the primary roads? What are the secondary roads? What are the tertiary roads? I told you, written on the blackboard. Okay. Then they also fixed the road density or the target length of all categories of the road, primary, secondary, and tertiary, should be at the rate of 83 kilometer per 100 square kilometer area. Second. Third. What is the third? Then there is also addition of the expressways. Again, there should be an expressway should be constructed. Previously it was 1,600 kilometer. Now it has been increased to. Expressway is the example is the road between existing road between Mumbai and Pune. 6-lane road where the minimum speed is 100 km per area. Now you can give example of. Okay, another expressway. Okay, now the expressway corridor is between Bombay and Mumbai and Vadodara expressway. Then Bangalore and Mysore expressway. So many roads. Baroda, okay, from Delhi to Baroda. All these are expressways. If you look into I think I told you in the last class about the Pune expressway. Pune-Mumbai expressway. I think I told you. Where upset?
No, sir.
No. This is Pune, this is Mumbai. Right? How are the roads? Serial killer, very important. After Madhapa.
Silent.
1, 2, 3. From Pune to Mumbai, this type of road. Right? Another 3 lanes. 1, 2, 3. Yaar macha road hai bandara. 6 lane. Road. What is the width of each lane?
9 feet.
What is the width of each lane? 6 lanes are there. 3 in one direction, 3 in other direction. 3.5 meters.
What is 9 feet?
Why 3.5 only?
Because 3 lanes.
Why not 4.5? Again, there no ISI. No, as per the IRC. Okay, you can say. Okay. So again, they are considered. I am going to tell you about that one in the highway journal design. Okay, not now. Again, this main topic will go. Again, I am going to tell. I should not add here. Let us talk the policy objectives. I should speak about that one. Then there is the addition now the expertise in the third 20-year plan based on the requirement here also. Based on the requirement what? Based on the requirement of the expressway for the high speed travel. That are not. For example, tomorrow if you ask me between Bijapur and Bangalore, the high speed road should be constructed separate. Understand? No, this existing. Thought about that. Expressway. What is the why criteria? Minimum speed. How much? Minimum speed is 100 km/h. Minimum. Then what is the maximum? It may go to 180 km/h. It is true. Such a wonderful road they have done between Mumbai and Pune. Even the KSRTC bus will go at 120 km/h. But where our KSRTC bus in and around, they are going at 20 km/h. That's it. Why they are going at 20 km/h? Why not at 1? Our roads, geometrics are not correct. Not proper geometric features have been added. That's because of that. Coming next. Now, I told the expressway for the high speed travel the expressway is also to be added. Then again, as you know, these particular construction or the target length of the road for the different categories of the road is being fixed based on the two categories. One is known as area of the district or area of the state or the area of the country, and the second one is number of towns and the villages existing on a particular state or the district or the country. This one. Then coming last one, the object of the third frontier plan is to give more importance for the better quality of the road. That is again coming to picture. The better quality of the road, or the roads are to be constructed in a well technical manner, scientific manner, and are not. The proper geometrical features are to be added, compulsorily added into these. I will just write it down. You take over 4 point important examination for the internal also it is going to come, and also what is it?
External.
All of you purchase a book. I ordered about 20 copies to the department library. I don't know how many books I am going to have. Here, the major policies and objectives of this road plan is as follows. Policies and objectives. Heading up. Policies. Spelling by copying that. POLICIES and objectives of that between 81. Right. First, the major policies. Faster way bega. You should be very fast. The major policies and objectives of this road plan.
Major policies.
Bega. The major policies and objectives of this road plan are listed as follows. Listed below. The major policies and objectives of this plan, this road plan, are listed below. One. The future road development plan. First, some 5 or 6 I'll tell and go.
Future.
The future road development. The future road development should be based on. The future road development should be based on the revised classification. Based on the revised classification of road system. Revised spelling bari ka aaj wala put ₹2 nalalo. Yesterday it cost only 230 rupees. 275 rupees.
Classification of
275 nothing. I have purchased when I was student. I have purchased a book of 2007 zero added. Now also I got 1000 copies of mine. So many books I got. You will not purchase books. You will spend for other activities. Others.
revised classification of
What is that? Based on the revised classification of the road system. Based on the revised classification of the road system. Right now, consisting of. Here are three. Second of the first day, इन्हों होगिला बस स्टैंड में इन्हों ले जाओ पहला ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं अभी दूसरा चलेगा नहीं अभी बस स्टैंड में यहाँ गया ही नहीं
Consist of
The future road development should be based on the revised classification of road systems consisting of primary, secondary and tertiary. Consisting of primary, secondary and tertiary road systems. Two. Second. The overall road density. The overall. Spelling very good. Allah very good. English learning model. You know before coming to the highway class, you go to any coaching class. Here you should learn English. Your English is very poor. All everybody. No, your English is zero. You go to any coaching class, you learn spoken English. Me? The overall road density in the country should be increased to. नहीं हो रहे हमारा आवाज नहीं आ रहा आवाज दे should be increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. Why it is increased to? Why the word increased to is coming here? Anybody? Why it is increased? That word is coming. First 20-year plan, 16 km per 100 square kilometer area. Second 20-year plan, 32 km per 100 square kilometer area. Now from 32 km per 100 square kilometer area, it is increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. How exactly I am talking about it? Okay. Increased to 82 km per 100 square kilometer area. 82 km per 100 square kilometer area by the year anybody
2001
by the year 2001 by the year 2001 because the third because third 20-year plan ends by 2001 from 1981 to 2001. That's the meaning. Right out. Next, the national highways. Third. The national highway network should be expanded. The national highway network should be expanded to form. The national highway network should be expanded to form. FORM form square grids. Square grids. This is 100. This is 100. 100 kilometer by 100 kilometer. What do you mean? Grid. GRI grid. Okay. Form a square grids of 100 kilometer size. Square grid of grids of 100 kilometer size. Side I written there. Side. 100 kilometer size so that no part of the country so that you बताया greeny granny what is granny aji bajji ये ना
number of parts of it. मैं नहीं समझ रहा मजा देख रहा हूँ.
So that no part of the country is more than is
More than
no part of the country is more than 50 kilometers away. 50 kilometers away from a NH. 50 kilometers away from a NH. National. Right? Next. Number 3. 4. Proper. Expressway should be constructed. Expressway should be constructed. English class you should go. Expressway should be constructed along the major traffic corridors. Major traffic corridors. What are the corridors, sir? What the traffic corridors means? Anybody? Where the traffic will be much more higher. Example, between Pune and Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai is more traffic. Between Mysore and Bangalore, more traffic. Between Mumbai and Vadodara, more and more traffic by vehicles. Kerala. Where the minimum speed should be 100 km per hour. Right. Where major traffic corridors to provide fast travel. Right in the bracket you write. Min 100 km page. Min. What is min?
minimum.
Min 100 km per hour. Right. Next one. The length of the state highways and the major district roads required in the state or region should be the length of SH and MDR. The lengths of SH and MDR. You should know what is the NH and MDR. That is SH means state highway. MDR means major district. The lengths of SH and MDR required in a state. Pariyamma. The lengths of SH and MDR required in a state or a region. Right. Should be decided based on anybody going to fill the gap? Based on two. What are they? That's what is that? Area, number of turns. Based on both both areas and number of towns. Areas and number of towns. With population above 5,000. Above 5,000. Number above 5,000 in the state or region. Last one. The road network. Which class do you have? Second hour? Shall I continue? No. You want to impress me? The road network. Last point. The road network should be developed. Last point. Fifth one or sixth, whatever. The road network should be developed so as to preserve. The road network should be developed so as to preserve the rural oriented economy. What is this exact meaning of this, sir? Rural oriented economy. What is rural oriented economy means? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this sentence? The road network should be developed, or the road network should be provided to the rural system or rural places or villages to improve rural oriented economy. Understand or not? All your factories, all your rural industries should be in the villages. Don't again for anything and everything you should not come to Bijapura. Correct or not? These all these particular small industries, then again which can be done. So many have to be started in the villages. For that the proper road network should be connected. Then if these villages are to be provided with all the facilities, all industries, the rural industries, any industries, it will be a paper folding machine or BD industries. Okay, kind of BD. In Mangalore, if you go to the Mangalore, most of the villages in and around Mangalore, there are all these particular industries there. Very income, cut or not. You don't think that those women and again those particularly involved in that industry are their income will be much more. They are increasing the village oriented, rural village oriented economy. They are increasing. So many things are there. I don't want to list. Now the government of Karnataka has opened up a big industry, cut or not. For anything and everything, if you want to start in village, they are giving you loan like anything. You go to any particular thing, you go to any place, sir, you should tell, sir, I want to open industry in village to start. Even a BD industry also you can say. Example, they will give you the interest-free loan. No interest for your things, sir. You should repay it after so many years without interest. If you don't pay also, okay, government is going to pay off that loan. But there should be a BD industries. At least there should be some BDs with the people going. Don't know.
Why not cigarettes, sir?
Rural oriented economic. Okay? Or and next, rural oriented economy and to develop. Next sentence, continue. Rural oriented, so as to preserve the rural oriented economy and to develop small towns. And to develop small towns with all the essential facilities. With all the essential facilities. How many are more? 6. Oh, more than enough. If you write this much in the examination, the exam will be very happy. Yeah, 8 marks. 8 marks will be given for this. 8 out of 8. Write it in summary. This time only it is going to come. Why? How I am confident this time? I am only. Well, for 7th semester, my paper only. 5th semester, my paper only. If you want that people which you are going to write with you, main. You want that? No, I am not. Now, let's do the problem on this. Any time? Time is just
10 minutes.
Shall we, whether these particular third year, based on the third 20-year plan, how the different length of primary, secondary, tertiary, national highway, state highway, major district or other district or village roads are to be calculated. Right? Let's do the problem. Get up. What is the